Hey boys and girls, I hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to share with you something that when I was growing up, I used to do. Probably around your age, maybe a little bit older, maybe a little bit younger. So it's a little bit different than how I used to do it. But I use this, you could do them around Christmas trees, you can drape them from your ceilings. When I was growing up, did one like this. I used to rope, went from one end of my wall, one corner of the wall to the other corner, and I created a huge, never-ending loop. To me, it was whatever colors I was feeling, whatever mood I was in. It's a circle. It's never ending. It will always be there. There is no end to it. And I feel like it's something that you can do throughout your life. You know, in a year from now, you can add to it and you can fill your whole wall. I just think it's a lot of fun. I obviously did a smaller version. This one I did on a hanger, and I'll show you what I did. I made them a little bit thicker. You can make them thin. You can do a rainbow. You can just mix your colors. You can do a gradient, which is kind of what I did. Monochromatic, all the same color. Huge. You could put a nail in the wall with help from an adult, hook it and just continue on. You could do one long chain. And like I said, these are things you can drape around your Christmas tree or around the holidays. So let me show you how I did it. Really simple. So what I did was I took kind of along the same color family. So I did kind of like a blue-green, and then a little bit of a different color blue, then a lighter blue. I ended it here, but I could do a lighter blue, or I could start with a dark and go all the way down, or I could do all purple, then the next line all green, whatever. I could just do whatever colors I want to do. You can do whatever pattern, you could do AB pattern, whatever you want. It's a lot of fun, and it's just creative, and really all you need is however you want to hook it. If you want to string, like I said, I had done a rope from one corner of my room to the other and just did a whole wall. Took a long time, but it was, it was a lot of fun. Or you could do something like this and just hang it in the window. So let me show you what I did. So depending on how you hook it, that will change. But the gist of what I did was I did a hanger. Then I took my paper and I cut it into however thick a strips I want to do. So this one's a little bit thinner just because I'm kind of wasn't measuring. So on the first one, what you want to do is when you circle it, you want to put it, through. So it's kind of hanging on this. Then with a glue gun or glue stick, however you want to do it, you fold it like this and you just glue it. So here I'm using my glue gun. So a little bit of glue right there. Then, and remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since this is the beginning part, I'm also going to put a little glue on this. Just like this. Just so this part stays in place. And then that's it. That's the only one you want to glue like that. Then I pick up whatever color I want to use next and I loop it through. So it's going to be alternating. So you are going to see somewhat of an AB pattern. So put it through and then do the same thing like I just did. Make the circle and glue it. So let me show you. I did 2 of the same color. You can do it any way you want. You can do 3, 4, I could do 4 green, and so on and so forth. I did 2, 2, and 2. So let me show you what I did on this one, because now when I say AB pattern, it is now I'm going this way. This one I did this. Now you'll see I'm going to alternate it and go this way. I'm using the wrong color. Hold on a second. Okay. So this, I'm going this way. And then you do the same thing. You make the circle and you glue. Let me show you. So I hold it like this and I'm gonna glue it like this. Glue, push the glue in there. And then I go like this. Okay, so there you go. Alrighty, so I'm gonna add my second green one. So it's pretty easy to tell which way you want to go by the way it's open. You know, I'm not going to go this way because you can't. So I'm going to go this way. So I will proceed. And then you, like I said, you go and you do as long as you want. You know, you could do yellow and blue. And there you go. And then again, I go this way. You could do all one color. I love the look of like a gradient, like what I'm kind of doing, but you could do a deep, deep green and do a lighter green and a lighter green and a lighter green until it would be really beautiful. So this is this, and then you hang it. Let me see if I can hang it for you guys to get a look. This would be really pretty hanging in my window. Let me show you. Might be too bright, but there you go. You know, obviously it's not finished, but I think it's a really fun and creative project, and I wanted to share that with you. And like I said, it is a symbol of never ending. There's no end to it. It just keeps going. And like friendships and the people you meet, it never ends. It just keeps going and going. And I wanted to share that with you guys today. So I do hope that you at least try it and see if you like it. Like I said, the holidays, you could do blue and green and drape it around the Christmas tree, like garland or whatever you want to do. You could drape different colors around your room, or you can do like I did and do like a wall piece. So enjoy. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon. I miss you guys. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.